Good day, gentlemen and ladies. You know, sometimes you have lunch and you eat a little bit too much. Well, let's do some digestive exercise called firewood splitting. Oh boy. And it's pretty frozen. Holy smoke. Alright folks, so let's go to see my Wednesday shout out video. Alright, cheers. Good evening, gentlemen and ladies. Tonight we're Wednesday the 6th of December, and my Wednesday shout out video will be on an outstanding gentleman living in British Columbia, and his name is Mike, and his channel is Maintenance with Mike. Now, Mike has got 445 subscribers, 79 videos. I don't remember if he had, he did make a few shorts. Yes, many of them. Now, Mike started his channel a little bit more than 1 year ago. I really like his quality of his video he's putting. He's got many tricks. He's got a Kubota. A lot of you folks know about him, but I discovered him. He left a comment on my video, I don't remember when, but not too long ago, and I completely forgot to respond. And he's got Kubota is doing various stuff like installing. This video I just see it installing a scrape ice and snow with an old main scraper on under his bucket. Various house chores, is snow blowing. He's living on in the south middle of BC, so on the Rockies, so his terrain, and he's got a beautiful view on his house with a nice wood stove. He did respond to my after, I think it was after, I forget when work is placed, it's my Ben, and about the wood stove, and he did, you can see his wood stove video if I do recall. If I go latest, right here, wood challenge, wood stove challenge. He's got a Pacific Energy, very nice video with a beautiful view. What else I can mention? He's doing lumber, various stuff. He's got an outboard boat and engine. Many videos, maintenance, and again, his name is Maintenance with Mike. And also, he's got a cat. I didn't know that, black cat. So please go see him. Leave a comment. We're all helping each other, sharing information. He's a true Canadian living in British Columbia, and nice Kubota. He's got he's got a BX23S. He's got a backhoe on it. He's got a snowblower. He's got a tiller, like various stuff. So basically, encourage him. We're gonna I just sent him my sticker, and I'm gonna receive his sticker too, so I'm gonna talk to him. I'm gonna talk about him. He's gonna be on my I can say more my famous kitchen cupboard sticker. My sticker kitchen cupboard. I'm gonna remove all the dishes and put the sticker inside. I guess I should buy a 4x8 plastic board and start sticking stuff into it. And anyway, that's it, gentlemen. So please go see him, go see Mike, say hi. Thank you very kindly for all your outstanding support toward his channel and mine. I mean, Christmas time is coming. Be safe on the road, please. Life is good, all right. Tell you that life is good. See, you see me. I'm starting to splitting wood, firewood. It's easier when it's cold. Yeah, and sadly, well, we don't have any snow in Saguenay. And they're calling for a very huge amount of rain on Monday with +4. So we may have a chance that it turn out on snow. So I'll let you know on that. Okay. So again, thank you kindly. Take care of yourself. Life is good. All right. Cheers. All right, folks, so I finished to split my row inside my trailer. Now I'm gonna ask you a question. I already know a little bit the answer, but what do you think? Is firewood split or not splitted? Does dry during the winter, and I mean a normal winter with snow, minus temperature in Celsius and up to 0 degrees Fahrenheit for you folks. Cheers.